let's learn one more numerical on Simpson's 3/8 rule. And for that, I have a question for you, that is, find the volume of solid of revolution formed by rotating about x-axis, the area bounded by lines x equal to 0, x equal to 1.5, y equal to 0, and the curve is passing through these x and y coordinates. So, to get the volume of solid of revolution where the area is bounded by the given lines, how to get the answer? So guys, for that we have a formula. We all know that the volume of solid of revolution is given by integration pi y square dx. So I'll be using that formula to get the answer. So here I'll say the volume of solid of revolution is given by I equal to, or you can also call it as V since it is a volume, integration pi y square dx. And since my x is varying from 0 to 6, here I'll say integration is from 0 to 6. So guys, in short, to get the volume of solid of revolution, I have to evaluate this definite integral. And to evaluate this integral, here we have to use the method of Simpson's 3/8 rule. So by Simpson's 3/8 rule, which we call it as the numerical method to evaluate the integration, we have to take the subintervals. Now, one good thing is that subinterval is already given. So if I want to solve this integral by using Simpson's 3/8 rule, then I must have the last value of the ordinate as the multiple of 3. So this is the condition to use the Simpson's 3/8 rule. So guys, let's say that this is the first ordinate or the value of y. So we'll call it as y0. This will be y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. So y6, where 6 is the multiple of 3. So here we are getting the intervals which is multiple of 3, or the last interval is multiple of 3. So guys, hence we can accept these values. Now one more thing, that to get the answer of this integration, you can see here that pi is a constant. So we'll take pi outside and here we'll get integration 0 to 6 y square dx. So what we'll do is, we'll first of all evaluate this integration where the function is y square, and then to that value we'll multiply with pi. So now to get the answer of this integration, the function is y square. So therefore with the value of x, the value of y will be the y square. So here we have to consider value as y square, because we always say y is nothing but a function which is given in the integration. So since function is y square, here I'll find out the y square. So I'll again make the table. So I'll say x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's find out the value of y square. So here 0 as it is. Now the value of y is 2. So square of this is 4. Then value is 2.5, which is 6.25 and so on. So we will get now after this value, we'll call the first ordinate as y0, then y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. And now guys, we'll find the answer by using Simpson's 3/8 rule. So what is the formula of Simpson's 3/8 rule? So here I'll show you that Simpson's 3/8 rule is given by I equal to 3h by 8 in bracket x plus 2t plus 3r, where x is the sum of extreme ordinate, t is sum of the ordinates which are multiple of 3, R is sum of remaining coordinates and H is the difference between the two values of X, or difference between the subinterval. So guys, here the difference between the subinterval is 1. So here I can say that H is 1. Next, let's find out the value of X. So X is sum of extreme ordinate, that is y0 plus y6, which is 2.25. Next, T, which is equal to sum of the ordinates which are multiple of 3. So here we have considered y0 and y6. So out of these 5 ordinates, only y3 is the multiple of 3 ordinates. So T is nothing but the value of y3, which is 5.29. Now R is nothing but the sum of remaining ordinates. So remaining ordinates are y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5, and if you'll add all these 4 values in calculator, you will get 17.40. So guys, here we got the value of X, T and R. Now we'll put these 3 values in the formula. So we'll get I equal to 3 by 8, H is 1. Next, X plus 2T plus 3R, X is 2.25 plus 2 times T. So T is 5.29 and R is 17.14. So now guys, to get the value of integration, you have to put this expression in the calculator. So by putting it, you will get the answer as 24.09375. So you all can evaluate this value through the calc and you can verify the value. Now here we got the value of integration, but if you'll see the question, then it is pi integration 0 to 6 y square dx, and here we got the value of this integral. So now I'll say it is pi into 24.09375. So guys, if you multiply it with pi, you will get answer as 75.692748. So this is the value of integration, or I would say this is the volume of solid of revolution, which we got by using the Simpsons 3/8 rule. And I'm sure that you understood this video and you like this video. So if you want to learn more videos on engineering mathematics, then keep watching Ekeeda.com. You can log into Ekeeda.com today itself, and you can also recommend to your friends so that they can get more marks in engineering mathematics like you. So keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much. See you everybody in the next video.